We talk about total addressable market, or TAM, and we reviewed multiple sources for this, including BloombergNEF, which is one of the sort of major authorities in this particular area. But here we're looking at the US, so hence we focus on the Department of Energy. Now, NREL is the National Renewable Energy Laboratory, and they produce an excellent series of papers called Storage Futures. I really advise you to look it up if you want to go deep dive into these topics. So one of those is called the economic potential of diurnal storage in the US power sector. Now, diurnal means essentially daily, so 12 hours and less of storage. So first of all, look at the evolution of the US energy storage to 2050 here. What's interesting is that market demand is dominated going forwards by 4 to 8 hours duration energy storage. And that's exactly what Qnetic is designed to do. You'll also notice that at the bottom of the graph, the purple portion, the 2-hour system, that's what lithium-ion batteries are doing today. And it's not our intention to try to displace lithium-ion batteries from what they're doing, but to enter the market in about 2026, where the market is going, which is these longer durations. Now, the light blue portion at the top is historically existing pump storage hydropower, so that can be ignored in terms of market demand for the future. And this study tells us that the US likely needs, to cut a long story short, 2 terawatt hours of energy storage by 2050 in the US. So if we assume a near future price of $150 per kilowatt hour for an energy storage product, then we have a US market TAM of $300 billion. But we don't just care about the US, we have a global product. So the US is just our first market. Now, BloombergNEF recently wrote this article saying energy storage is set for a decade of growth, which helps us to simply scale the US calculation to probably $1 to $3 trillion market globally.